This is Earth, God's creation, nature all around. Insects flying, frogs jumping, toads wait on their pads. This is ours to do with as we wish. I want to keep it peaceful and clean, but others think beauty is factories growing. What do you want?
Walk and see the serenity of the stream. Frogs jump and the winds blow ripples in the soft, cool water. The grass is green and shelters tiny, peaceful creatures.
Forests, trees disappearing, towns become cities, machines invented, animals dying.
Man, invading forests, clearing trees, taming wildlife, building cities, threateningly.
It is asphalt jungle now. All trees have long been pushed over. The last green space has been paved, closing off the faint cry, the cry of desperate, dying nature.
We evolved from the sea, some say, with great intentions. We built cities and opened new horizons. We polluted our air, our land, our seas, in search of progress. The fate of the oceans lies with man. The fate of man lies in the oceans.
Cars and airplanes blackening the air with dirty exhaust, killing creatures unfairly.
Nature's wilderness is gone. Now is the never-ending wilderness of noise, pollution, death. The exhaust from cars stinging your throat. No time to help other people. No time to care.
Bombs coming from planes, trying to protect, but only destroying, ruining our once lovely planet.
Pollution burdens our air, poisons our water, killing plants, killing animals. S2. Environment, water, soil, air, life, wildlife, man, population, overpopulation, pollution, smog, exhaust, smoke, progress, extinction,